Look no further, guys. You just found your 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This is a one owner. Yes, you heard it correctly. Carfax certified and only serviced by a certified Mercedes-Benz dealer. And we've got it. Conover location. I'll give you a slow pan around it. No major dings, scratches. It's got a lot of extras on this car. Backup camera, backup sensor, towing package, big wheels, double roofs. Let's look on the inside. It's also got the driver's assist with lane guidance, collision avoidance, heated seats. Look how new, guys. There's not one roof, but two roofs. Carfax says these one owners typically bring 10 to 15% more money. Well, not here at the Trading Post. You're getting a low mileage, one owner, all-wheel drive, 2.0 turbo car. It's got the big screen, navigation, everything, even heads-up display there, guys. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all, no problem. We can get you approved. Trading Post, family owned and operated, 45 years in the business, by my family, great people, awesome prices, gorgeous one-owner Mercedes-Benz GLC with all the service records. What are you waiting for? 828-464-0600, tradingpostcars.com.